Good day everyone! In this video, we will be presenting our 5 research title. Title 1. Comparison between the use of traditional flyers and Facebook marketing in milk tea shops in Lusacan, Chaong, Quezon. Studies show the difference between the use of traditional flyers and Facebook marketing. According to Ramos and Galilimos 2023, compared to traditional media, social media promotion is more convenient and useful way to advertise your business in considerably affordable way. This study will make use of a simple online survey or printed survey distributed to milk tea owners or customers. This method is both cost-effective and time-efficient. It allows for easy data collection from a large number of respondents and requires minimal resources. Our budget is 30 to 50 pesos if printed and free if conducted using Google Forms. SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth, because it explores effective marketing strategies that can help local milk tea businesses grow and increase income opportunities. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, by helping small businesses become more resilient and adaptive, especially through digital means like Facebook marketing. Research Design. This study will use a comparative quantitative research design because it aims to objectively compare the effectiveness of two marketing strategies, the traditional flyers and Facebook marketing, used by milk tea shops in Lusacan, Chaong, Quezon. Structured survey questionnaire comparing the effectiveness of traditional flyers and Facebook marketing. This type of questionnaire consists of predetermined standardized questions that allows for consistent data collection from all respondents. It ensures that information is gathered in a uniform way, making it easier to compare responses and analyze the results statistically.
The relationship between the financial literacy scores and the monthly savings habits of grade 12 ABM. According to Mangia 2024, students that are financially literate will be able to make better decisions which will lead to a very high level of financial behavior. It can be conducted by simple online survey or printed surveys directed toward classmates and students in nearby schools. The assessment evaluate the financial literacy and saving habits of grade 12 ABM students at the point in time relevant to their education and personal growth. 30 to 50 if printed and free if conducted using Google Forms. SDG 4 Quality Education. This study contributes to SDG 4 by highlighting the importance of financial literacy as a part of quality education. SDG 8 Decent Work and Economic Growth. Financial literacy and saving habits directly support SDG 8 by fostering responsible money management and economic awareness among future members of the workforce. This study will use correlational quantitative research design. This design appropriate because it allows the researchers to measure the degree to which financially literacy is associated with saving behavior. This study will examine financial literacy and saving habits through a structured survey. This method is efficient for collecting standardized, quantifiable data from a large number of students, making it suitable for correlational analysis.
Title 3. Comparison between buying raw materials sourced locally and from online platforms of barangay entrepreneurs. Support. Studies showed that challenges such as limited resources, inadequate technical expertise, and increased competition, all of which may significantly influence how and where these entrepreneurs source their raw materials, whether through local suppliers or online platforms. Bailon 2023. This research can be certainly conducted using simple online or printed surveys. Barangay entrepreneurs who purchase raw materials either from local sources or online platforms will be surveyed. Since many local sellers are easy to reach within the community or through social media, the study is practical and low cost to carry out. 30 30 pesos to 50 pesos if printed offline, and free if conducted using Google Forms. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Comparing the benefits of sourcing raw materials locally and online, the study aims to help business owners make informed decisions and that can improve productivity, reduce costs, and increase income. SDG 12, by helping entrepreneurs choose smarter ways to buy raw materials by comparing local and online sources, it shows how small businesses can avoid waste, save money, and use resources wisely. Research design. This study will use a comparative quantitative research design to examine the differences between local and online sourcing of raw materials among barangay entrepreneurs. Data gathering. We will use a survey questionnaire as the main data gathering method. Barangay entrepreneurs will answer questions regarding to their experiences in purchasing raw materials locally and online.
Title 4. Comparison between the customer satisfaction ratings of trained and untrained businesses in Quezon Province. Support. According to Cuevas and Tamayo 2024, customer satisfactions and the factors that influence it are also significantly correlated, suggesting that the more satisfied customers are, the fewer issues they will encounter. Practicality. This study can be easily conducted using simple online or printed surveys. These surveys are distributed to clients of local businesses within the Quezon Province. The study will consist of comparing data whose objective is to collect feedback from customers belonging to business with specific training programs and those without. Budget: 30 to 50 pesos if printed offline and free if conducted using Google Forms. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Training leads to quality improvements in business method that might promote better working conditions and add to sustainable economic growth within the province. SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. When training improves customer satisfaction, it creates opportunities for building resilient businesses and may even spur innovation in the service delivery mechanism. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Companies that full up customer satisfaction level using training are likely to adopt responsible and sustainable behaviors. Research design. The comparative quantitative research design is the most suitable approach. This design is ideal because it allows comparison of two distinct groups, trained business customer and untrained business customers. The chosen design directly facilitates the comparison that aiming for. Is the methodological framework that will allow to quantify and contrast the satisfaction levels. Data gathering method. Structured surveys questionnaires that would determine the customer satisfaction rating of the clients from both trained and untrained businesses in Quezon Province. The answer will be collected, counted, and compared. This forms detail how the data for comparison will collected. By using the same structured questionnaire for both groups, it ensures consistency and allow for direct a false comparison for their satisfaction ratings.
Title 5, the relationship between students' knowledge of pricing strategies and their perceived business confidence in simulation activities. According to Zurich 2019, the simulation game helps students gain practical experience in pricing, improves teamwork, and enhances time management skills. The study will make use of simple online surveys or printed surveys distributed to students. This approach is low cost and requires minimal resources, making it easy to implement in a school setting. 30 to 50 pesos if printed, and free if conducted using Google Forms. SDG 4, quality education. This study supports SDG 4 by emphasizing the importance of applied learning in business education, particularly through the understanding of pricing strategies and participation in simulation activities. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. By equipping students with a stronger grasp of pricing strategies and building their business confidence through simulated experiences, this study aligns with SDG 8. This study will use correlational quantitative research design. This design is appropriate for identifying whether a statistical relationship exists between the two. Structured survey questionnaire measuring the relationship between students' knowledge in pricing strategies and perceived business confidence in simulation activities. The study will use a structured survey questionnaire distributed either online or in printed form. Depending on accessibility, this method allows for efficient, consistent, and objective data collection from students, making it suitable for quantitative analysis of the relationship between variables.